Okay, so for our large eye model, we'll start on the outside here. So the fibrous tunic would include the posterior portion, the white of the eye, which is the sclera. The clear portion on the interior, this dome-like structure, is our cornea. All right. Before I open it up, I want to turn this around so we include this instead of doing it at the end. Here's the optic nerve exiting the back of the eye, and in red and in blue here, the red structure would be the central retinal artery, and the blue part would be the central retinal vein. So we take this, and if we open it up, such, now we can see inside here, and this part right inside the cornea is the anterior chamber of the anterior cavity, which again is filled with aqueous humor. The colored portion of the eye is the iris, right? The opening here would be the pupil. All this dark colored area right here is our choroid. If we open that up and look on the inside, you can see right here the ora serrata, where the choroid here is going to meet here the iris, the border of the iris right there. This down here is the ciliary body. If we look from on top here, all right, this portion here that's biconvex represents the aqueous humor. The structure right inside of that is your lens. All right, and then if we look down on top here, these are the ciliary processes with the zonular fibers, also called suspensory ligaments, which are all part of this whole entire thing, which is the ciliary muscle right there. All those together make up the ciliary body. This in the back represents the vitreous chamber, all right, or the posterior cavity, which is filled with vitreous humor, which is a much thicker fluid than the aqueous humor. Okay, and inside right here you can see the inner lining here. This all represents the retina in here. Okay, I think that's it. Did I do that right?